You are listening to the Profitable Content Creator Podcast. This is the place where content creators come to learn how to create profitable content that positions themselves as an authority and grows their online businesses. Get ready to take your content to a whole new level with your host, Kristen Poborski.
Hey, it's Kristen Poborski here, and I want to talk to you today about why becoming an AI expert isn't always the answer, and how trained AI agents change the way I've created content that actually sounds like me. Can I share something that completely changed how I think about AI content creation? For months and months, I thought I had to become an AI expert. I spent hours watching tutorials, bookmarking prompts, joining ChatGPT's community, the whole works. And for all that effort, I still got content that sounded like a robot on a bad day. But then I stopped trying to master the process of the prompts and started instead working with trained AI agents, mine instead. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly what changed for me and why that simple shift gave me better content and my time back. We've seen the advice. We've heard it. Learn prompt engineering. Use these 20 hacks to unlock ChatGPT. Buy this prompt pack. You'll be fine. So I did. I listened to it too. I collected swipe files just like the rest of you. I spent hours practicing new frameworks, spending hours getting those inputs to get the perfect output. But no matter how good the prompt looked, the content still felt off. Flat, generic, not me. And that's when I realized that prompting, the problem wasn't the prompting or my prompt. It was really my entire approach. I was treating AI like a search engine. And ask a better question, get a better answer, kind of like Google. No, AI isn't Google. But it's more like an assistant when you can use AI like Google, but when you're using it to create content, it's more like an assistant that wants to help you, but only understands what you've actually trained it on. So if you've ever shown it what good looks like in your world, how can it possibly reflect your voice if you've never done that? So I stopped using those AI tools and I started building trained agents. So that means I'm not just going into ChatGPT or Claude and doing a generic prompt. I now use custom GPTs, projects, things like that. And that's the difference. I trained it using my voice authority playbook to make it sound like me, so it knows my brand tone, my ideal audience, how I naturally teach, and what great content already looks like because I fed it with my examples. Suddenly, it changed everything. I wasn't fighting those generic tools. I had a team that could think like me and create content that felt like me. They didn't just generate text. They created content that was usable, strategic, and actually sounded like I wrote it. And I got the most valuable thing back of all time, my time and my voice. Now, that being said, I don't just feed my general content out on social media or in my videos and things like that. I don't read it. Even though I've got an outline in front of me, I take it and I record it and I add my own voice in on top of my own voice. So now, instead of wrestling with prompts, I simply share insights. My trained agents do the rest. They create all this content for me that I can then go video. Then I take that video, take the transcript. It's that one conversation. And my trained assistants turn it into a blog post, an email, a YouTube, short script, reels, and a whole month's worth of social media posts, all sounding like me. And the difference is that I've taught it not only what I sound like with my transcript, but my playbook and examples of what I want my content to look like. That takes it from here to here. And the best part, my audience feels the difference. Engagement's up, my message is clear, and I'm not exhausted. And it all started when I let go of having to be a prompt expert. So I want you to take away this. You don't need better prompts. You don't need a better prompt library or 3-hour AI workshop. You need a system, a team of assistants that understand you, your voice, your way of thinking, your people. Because AI, it's not magic. It's a mirror. And the quality of what it reflects back depends entirely on what you give it. So here's the shift. You don't need to be an AI expert. You just need trained agents that understand your voice. And once that's in place, you can stop wrestling with the tools and start creating from flow again. And if you've been caught in the prompt trap, let me know in the comments or message me the word agent, and I'll show you how I built mine using the AI Voice Authority playbook. Your voice, your brand, not generic, not robotic, just real.
You've been listening to the Profitable Content Creator Podcast, where content creators go to learn how to take their content creation to the next level. If you love the Profitable Content Creator Podcast, we'd love for you to subscribe, rate, and give us a review on iTunes. Until next time.